Chevy Aveo, I believe this is the 1.6, has error codes for both intake and camshaft position variation. You can see the right here, exhaust and intake, the variance. These should be pretty much zero, should match what it's requesting. Let's see, we've got 5 on the exhaust and 12 degrees on the intake. And if we rev it up, they start to come back down closer to normal. So it's mostly at idle. And then if you look at the oil pressure, low at idle, and you give it some throttle and it goes to OK. Back down to idle, and it's reading low. So it's reading low oil pressure, which I believe is the problem with this motor. I need to get a mechanical gauge on it to diagnose it further to see what the actual oil pressure is at idle. Somebody's already tried to replace all the camshaft sensors and the VVT actuators, and it's still not right. It's still reading exactly the same. So the problem is either low oil pressure or a problem with the timing system itself. Stretched belt, tensioner, something. And yes, this motor actually still has a timing belt, not a chain.